And the farmers seem to be benefiting from the new agricultural laws of the central government. Farmers from a small village in Hingoli district of Maharashtra have exported their produce abroad. They've earned considerable profits.
Satifal, a small village in Hingoli district of Maharashtra, has become famous in the region due to Surya Farmer Producer Company, which sells farmers' agriculture produce. With the help of new agriculture law nowadays, the farmer produce company like Surya Farmer Producer Company Limited is directly selling agriculture produce to buyers without involvement of APMC. This company has exported turmeric of worth Rs 1.92 crore to Bangladesh and worth Rs 1 crore turmeric to ITC and other buyers outside the mandi. This trade outside APMC is saving 1% mandi fee and also without being compelled to sell through commission agents.
इस कंपनी के माध्यम से हमने 538 फार्मर संगठित करके और इंडिविजुअल जो जुड़े वाले फार्मर है उनको लेके लगभग 3,000 फार्मर हमसे जुड़े वाले इनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं। और किसान का ये जो अभी कायदा आया है एपीएमसी के बाहर जो हम काम करेंगे तो इसके ऊपर हमें सेस देना नहीं पड़ेगा, तो ये बहुत हमें क्रांतिकारी लगा।
Farmer Bhagwan Bhalerao from Hingoli district also sell his produce directly to buyers via this company. He said this process helped him in saving transportation cost and time. Earlier in APMC, farmers have to spend entire day to sell the produce.
जो केंद्र सरकार ने कायदा किया है वो जो हमारे वहाँ किसानों को कुछ कंपनियाँ दिए वाले है, ये कंपनी में हमारा मार्केट कमेटी से वहाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा फायदा हो रहा है। मार्केट कमेटी में माल डालने से हमारा थोड़ा नुकसान होता था, कुछ देर लगता था माल बेचने को। वहाँ वैसा कोई नहीं है, माल हमारा जल्दी बेचता है, जल्दी पैसे मिलते हैं, वो हमारा कमीशन नहीं काटते वहाँ। ये ऐसे फायदे हैं छोटे।
The new agriculture law enable ordinary farmers to sell their produce to the corners of the world. Farmers in the district like Hingoli have achieved this feat due to these laws. Aruna Hokarne's report, DD India.